Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is unity in diversity. This is from your MSc. Okay, this is from your MSc. All of you take your MSc book and open your MSc book. Lesson 1, that is unity in diversity. Let's go to the lesson. So India is a very large country. So as we know that India is a big country. It is also the second largest populated country in the world. So in the world, in the populations, our country is a second. So the people of India belongs to 6 distinct races. So in India, there are different types of peoples are living in India, different religions. It means that means because in India there are many different religions peoples are living, no? So their way of their language is different, their costumes is different, cultures is different. Okay, so first they speak different language: Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, Telugu. Okay, and follow different religions. So the first they used to follow different languages. Then they used to follow different religions: Muslims, Hindu, Christian, Sikhs, okay, and have different shapes and colors of their body. So there, if we see, we come to know the different colors of the body, shapes of the body, and structure of the body. Okay, so we are different types of costumes. So we are different types of costumes: sarees, half sarees, western dress, okay, modern dress. Follow different customs and beliefs. So they follow the different costumes and beliefs. Have different food habits. So here we have a different food habits. In Tamil peoples, they should have different, and Malayali, they should have different food. Okay, according to our state, we have a different food habits. So these things are those who are living in India, the people used to do. So the first they speak different languages, because different peoples are living in India, and follow different religions and have different shapes in their bodies, and wear different types of clothes, and follow different customs and beliefs, and have different finally food habits. And so there is a great diversity. So diversity means difference, okay, different type of, and in our traditions. So here we have a different type of our traditions, manners, habits, tastes, and costumes. Each and every region of the country portrays different costumes and traditions. So those who are living in India, each and every one, they should have different religions and different costumes and traditions. Though we speak different languages, so though we speak different languages, yet we are all Indians. So if we follow different, if we speak different languages, if we follow different religions, if we follow different costumes and beliefs, anyway we are India, because we are living in India. So here they show their unity. So unity in diversity has been the distinctive feature of our culture. So unity is the different features of our culture. This is our cultures. Those who are living in India, they are from different place, and they are follow different language, speak different language, different religions, Anyway, in that also they feel as a Indians. They are show their unity. Hinduism, Sikhism, Jainism, and Buddhism originated in India. So, Hindus people and Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism. These four religion peoples only originated in India. Islam came to India along with the Mughal invaders. So, after that, Muslims came into the India with Mughal invaders, and Christianity came to India in 52 AD through Saint Thomas, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. So, how the other religions came to India? So, first in India, Hinduism is there, and Sikhism, Jainism, and Buddhism. These four religions people only originated India. Because of them only India came. So after that, Muslim people came to India. How they came to India? Through the Mughal invaders. So after that, one of the apostles, then the Christianity came to India in 52. Okay. So through Saint Thomas, one of the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. Parsi is a small religious group which has integrated itself into Indian way of life. So then they follow the Indian way of life. So Judaism came to India in the 1st century. So after that, Judaism came to in India, the first university. Okay, after that, Judaism came to India. So here, so in this lesson, we learn how the Indians lived together without any different. Though they speak different languages, and if they follow different religions, and then also they feel that they are Indians. So in the beginning, only four religions peoples were living in India. After that, Islam peoples came. After that, Christianity came. At last, Jainism came. So here in India, there are 9 religions people, or more than that, they are living. Then also they did not have any different among them. They feel that we are Indian. Okay, so remaining lessons we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.